How to sell on Coinbase wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Besnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can sell on Coinbase wallet. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. Now in order to sell your crypto on Coinbase wallet, here is what you can do. First, I'll be guiding you through here on this browser here. I'll leave the link in the description as well. On the mobile app on the wallet, tap the menu in the upper left corner and then tap sell. Once you tap on sell, tap the asset you want to sell and you will have to enter the amount that you wish to sell. Then you want to review your order and confirm your selections. Simply tap on place order after that to complete the sale. Once the action is complete, the funds will be available in your cash balance, USD balance for example. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues on it as well.